Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we've got the first Avatar Brickheadz that LEGO has released. It is also the first Brickheadz in a wheelchair. So this is set number 40554, Jake Sully and his Avatar. Number 80 is Jake and 181 is Jake Sully. Here we see on the back the wheelchair can be separated from the brickhead from Jake himself, which is a nice little addition. And look, some nice printed pieces on the arms, on the torso here, which you don't usually get on the arms. So that's going to be a nice addition. And a good looking set. This set comes with 246 pieces, being a dual piece, dual brickhead, slightly up on that piece count, but 246, $29.99 here in Australia. And as I mentioned, it's the first Avatar set, which is pretty fantastic. They've just released, LEGO have just released a lot in the Avatar range, and the Brickheadz is one of those. So this will be a speed build as normal. And then please join me for my review of set number 40554, Jake Sully and his Avatar. Hello, welcome back. Thanks for hanging around. This set number 40554, Jake Sully and his Avatar Brickhead set here, was a 25-minute build, 246 pieces, and I really like this set. As I was going through it, there wasn't anything really special about the build as such, but I think just the way it's come out to depict the character of Jake and Jake's avatar is just fantastic, even down to the detail of the headpiece here and the spear, the printed pieces for the arms and the torso, I think are just wonderful. And then the little extra pieces here, such as the front pouch, the tail, the hairpiece and the eyes. I think that is just really solid replication of an avatar, or of Avatar in a LEGO form. So really high wraps on this. This is, I reckon this is one of the taller Brickheadz that we have had. Not by much, but one of the taller ones as a standard build, which is nice. That comes down to the feet, really. Usually they're only 1 brick high. This one is 2 bricks high. And then Jake in the wheelchair, and of course Jake comes out of the wheelchair as well. The wheelchair is, let's say, playable, functional, in terms of the wheels do turn. And Jake sits back in his chair there. Arms move on hinges there. You don't usually get that in the Brickheadz. You don't get moving pieces too much, but because of how it sits on the wheelchair, if it was hanging down, you wouldn't be able to sit down into the wheelchair, as you can see, like that. But now the arms can hinge out and can sit down, and then they move just slightly back into place. So really, really awesome set, this one. Not too much to add. I just really enjoyed the build. There's nothing really special about how the build came about, the technique used. Doing the wheelchair is always a nice change when there's something in addition to just the brickhead itself. So yeah, I would highly recommend this set, especially if you're an Avatar fan. But if you're a fan of Brickheadz, then I would highly recommend this set as a set to get into your collection. So with that said, that will finish up today's build. Thank you for hanging around. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. And soon we'll be heading into some Christmas items, I think. Still a couple of weeks away from that, but that will be on the cards. And I'm not sure if there are any more Brickheadz to be released this year. So might have to find something else to build for November. So until then, bye for now.